Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change a proving language in Microsoft Word. So there are maybe you have a reason, maybe you have um, urgent matter that you need to change the proving language. So all you have to do now, you can open your Microsoft Word. You can open it via Microsoft Office, a default app that installed in your system, or you can try Microsoft 365 Copilot. So you can open Microsoft Word only from your browser, and for example you can open a blank document here. And in order to access this all the feature, you need to sign in with your Microsoft account in order to enjoy all the app of the Microsoft 365, and you can get free 5 GB storage. Go back to the Microsoft Word. So here, to make it short, you don't need to search where is the language proving here. Just type prove on this search bar. Set proving languages, and here we go. You can change proving language for cite to text or current document. So for example, by default is English. Now you can try to find, or you can try to change into French, for example. Then click, and please, if you don't want to check spelling or grammar, you can tick this box or just leave it be by default. In order to check spelling or grammar, then click OK. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the text button below. See you in the next video.